How to create a dripping effect. Bring your image and remove the background. Select your image layer and rasterize it. Now go to Properties and select Remove Background. Nice one. You are doing it. Select your image, right-click, convert it to Smart Object. Then rasterize it again. Now, bring your dripping picture. You can get it on the internet. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our short tutorials. Let's rasterize this image layer. Now, press Ctrl plus left click on the selected layer to create a selection. While the selection is still visible, select the main image and press Delete on your keyboard. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. You can turn off the background layer just to see the effect. You can now play around. If you can't do it, please watch the gradient tutorial on our page.